Hey Internet, it's me Ryan. Hope you're doing well. This is our channel. If you've never been here before, thanks for checking us out. I'm with DP Marketing Services. We work with plumbing and HVAC contractors across the country to maximize your lead flow, get more calls, make more money. So thanks for tuning in. I want to talk about today about something that isn't super sexy. It's not like clickbait. People don't talk about this over lunch, but really pays huge dividends. And that is the importance of great service, of letting your reputation work for you. So, uh, we're actually in the process right now of writing a book. Maybe by the time you view this, the book will already be out. But um, in doing a lot of the research, we're pulling up a lot of our case studies of how people in this day and age, with all the information that's available to us on the computer or on our cell phones, of how we analyze and interpret the information from all these sources. So you have news agencies saying this, and you have social media saying this, and you have all these things of how we prioritize it. For people, we're still kind of pack mentality sometimes, right? We still group think, we still do what other people influence us to do. And so in the world of marketing, you have what's called referral marketing, right? So it's like, think about the conversion funnel. You have awareness, and you have interest, and you have preference, and you get to the bottom, which is conversion. uh, your very best marketing methods, like we're going to drop down, like a billboard is going to be like 10,000 to 1. So 10,000 impressions get you one person at the bottom of the funnel. It's pretty rough math. Uh, but what we found is that if you actually focus on the bottom of the funnel with great service, great reputation, and work on the referral, those referrals convert at roughly 1 to 1. So it is the most efficient conversion mechanism of any possible thing to do. So, and you can test this for yourself. If you're to pull up your phone right now, you can do it. And then go to Maps, go to Google, whatever you want, and just type in lawyer or lawyer near me. I won't pick on an HVAC or plumbing contractor in case you guys pull up there. And just look at what you see of how these things are ranked by reviews. So if you are in an area where Google Local Services is rolled out, then you're going to see those actually prioritized by review ratings. But these reviews influence consumer behavior. In fact, the data says somewhere between 83 and 85% of consumers are going to treat an online review like they do a customer referral. 83 to 85% are going to convert at 1 to 1. That's really good math for you. So this means you have to, one, empathize with your customer, know why they're calling you, the state of mind that they're in. Guess what? They're not calling a plumbing or an HVAC contractor because they're in a great mood. They're calling them because they're pissed off, there's water on their floor, like they've got a problem. Recognize that, help them go through the emotions that they're experiencing. Once they're in your pipeline, once you take care of them, you go over and above with great service. You don't just do the bare minimum work for the cheapest price and then get out. Anybody can do that. But where you're going to make the most money is where you take care of them, you empathize with them, you've earned their trust, you do great service, and then what happens, you ask for the review after the service is done. So you turn them into a 5-star review on Google or Facebook or anywhere else. That's going to go into all of the internet for the people to see. That customer then is going to be so impressed by the work you did and how you went over the top that their chances are they're going to follow you on Facebook. They're going to subscribe to you on Google Plus or Twitter or something. They're going to find a way to keep in touch, to keep in the loop. You have just created a lifetime customer. It is 3 times cheaper for you to keep a lifetime customer than it is for you to create a new customer from scratch. So if your current approach to creating more customers is to say, let's just spend every dollar we can. Let's get on TV, let's get on radio, let's get on billboards. And every customer acquisition cycle, we're creating a new customer from start to finish every time. You are inefficiently using your money. You can do it, you can make the math work. It means your rates are probably really high to offset that math of what that low conversion process is. On the other side, if you focus on customer experience, if you focus on empathy, you focus on doing great quality work, of getting the reviews, of getting them loyal into your social circles, if you provide them valuable content, either through coupons or seasonal updates, or just interesting posts on your Facebook, these customers now are loyal. The next time they're going to come back to you, they're not going to be as price sensitive. So what we usually find is by the second use of a customer at the company, the average ticket price goes up, their trust factor goes up. So they're more likely to say, hey, I can't be home. Here's the key to my house. Let yourself in, knock yourself out. Let me know what the bill is once you're done. They have that level of trust and confidence and respect for what you and your company provides, that now all of a sudden you have this customer coming to you every year, every 18 months, paying you more money than they otherwise do. And it's costing you pennies to keep that person on the books. Pennies. That lifetime value of the customer far exceeds what you're currently doing if you're creating a new customer every customer acquisition cycle. So if you're not thinking that way, you should absolutely consider how to do that. If you don't have a strategy to start cultivating reviews, of managing your online reputation, of engaging with happy customers and cranky customers, you can't control that data, right? You can't control what people say about you, but you can influence it. You can join the conversation. This is what we do for companies all the time, is we help cultivate this online reputation that makes your company earn the trust of your service area. So if you want to talk about what that means for you, reach out to us. Otherwise, if you're a plumbing or HVAC contractor, hope this is helpful. Short video today. Subscribe to us below. Leave a comment. Let us know your thoughts. What percentage of your business right now is repeat customers or referral business? Is it half? It'd be awesome if it was. Your business will grow if you have half of your books as repeat customers. Excuse me. But if you have any questions, again, reach out to us, dpmarketing.services. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon.